Welcome to Align Trading, going over the price action and the trades taken today in Discord. First thing in the morning I posted in the pre-market brief for members was we were looking for this controlled selling algorithm, the yellow and the blue, and within it there was a head and shoulder pattern as well as a nested head and shoulder, and if we were going to see it get above, we needed to stay above 516.80. So now here on the chart we can see in the morning we have this controlled selling algorithm right here with this one as well. And we have that head and shoulder pattern right here. And then we have the nested head and shoulder being right there, as well as this cup. You can see the handle, this handle as well right there. And that is why we got the breakout. We came down and tested this 516 level. Now going over the live analysis and the trades taken today in Discord on the 1 minute chart, we can see in the morning that we had this controlled selling algorithm right here. This is the controlled selling algorithm, and there is this one as well. And I put that in the chat to be looking for it because we started to see some sort of tapering right here. We can see that same algorithm, and this algorithm right here ends up guiding us the entire way up. You see this algorithm appear right here, and we'll go over this in a minute, but this was a very important algorithm to identify, and this is why I actually took this first trade right here, because I set a shoulder above 517.35. So this 517 level right here, and it was this shoulder right at this level right here. So 517.35 right there on that close, I entered my position, and this is what started the move up. We can see we have off of these algos that inverse head and shoulder right here. After this first entry right here, I was still looking for more, and after protecting, I started to add and protect on the way up. Now, after seeing this algorithm right here starting to appear, I sold my position. After adding some right here, I explained for the push through 518.13, this level right here, I got a nice move, and I sold at the top of it, which also at this level, I'll go over in a second, was the cup. So that was the level I was targeting. As I was saying about the cup, I posted that we need to close this cup on the 30-minute right here at that 418.44 level, which is right here. So once we closed it with a solid handle, I will look to take another position, and I'm just letting it do its thing right now. And this algorithm right here that I added off the first time for the move up of the initial test, and then right here once we form this cup, this same controlled selling algorithm for the handle, which is why I added here, and then the same one at that 518.14 level where I added again. So this is just confirmation for me to be adding to my position as we're moving up into this. What is also here is this inverse head and shoulder with this algorithm, so it is a super strong confirmation for me, which is why I was adding so much to this, and you can see it paid off well. We also had this buying algorithm right here that price is moving up within. You can see coming down, bouncing until it starts to taper here. And once this algorithm started tapering right here, I got all out of my position and explained that I needed to see a stronger microstructure or a larger retracement in order for me to get back in. And at 11:30, I posted, once I saw this base, to be looking for this same controlled selling algorithm right here, and that we possibly are going to form some sort of inverse head and shoulder right here off of that level, and that's what we exactly formed. You can see right there, and I started adding some 520 lottos as well as scalping some 519 calls in between here, which paid off pretty well, and I didn't end up even selling those 520s until the end of the day here, which was a great move. So I bought them at 518.50 and got that move to almost 520. After selling those 520 calls right around here, I explained I was going to get some 519 lottos because why not? I bought them right around here, and it went down a little bit, but we were just pinned. We didn't end up getting that move I was looking for, possibly right here, and that's okay. No need to risk significant profits at the end of the day. Now back on the 30-minute, taking a look at the algorithms for tomorrow and what to be paying attention to. So we can see that we have been within this stronger buying algorithm right here, this purple, and we are now starting to see some sort of tapering with this pink tapering algorithm right here, as well as the white and this green right here, which is the tapering buying algorithm. So if that stays true and we do start to continue tapering like this, you can see, and we start to move down, I will be looking for a possible rejection off of this 520 and then a shoulder below this 519.33 area that was so important today. We also have this 518.44 level, which we can go below, and then this liquidity at 517.30. So there are a couple ways we can go down here and eventually close this inverse cup if we want to, or we can see that this 5-day moving average is right here, and maybe we get a retest of that tomorrow. It trends up, and it is alongside maybe that, and we get another bounce like that. That is possible as well, but I'm looking for now this possible tapering, and if it does want to continue moving up, look for those same controlled selling algorithms right here, and then it can continue moving up like this. Zooming out a bit now, we did close this level here at 520. So now we are going to be looking for some sort of retracement possibly, or if we continue moving higher, we can test this level up here first before that happens. So if tomorrow we continue pushing higher before we see some sort of retracement, that is possible as well. Now on the daily chart, as we have been looking for this upper Bollinger retest, and we finally got that today, as well as this 5-day moving average right here trending up. So what we're going to watch for is if we see this upper Bollinger as some sort of resistance and we come back down, retesting this 5-day moving average, or possibly when this 20-day starts to catch up, we come back down and retest that. But as of now, we are in an uptrend, and we can see that when this 5-day starts to trend up with this upper Bollinger right here, we can continue to move higher. So if this starts opening up and we continue moving higher, we see this daily cup forming right here. So if we complete the cup up here at this level and we get some sort of handle maybe, that would be great to continue higher as long as we stay in this uptrend. Thank you everyone for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see members in the morning. Thank you.